Have you ever wondered why, even after winning a significant case in the Supreme Court, there seems to be an evident lack of remedial action to address and rectify the situation in Fosen, Norway? In the crisp month of October in 2021, Norway's Supreme Court made a historic decision, a verdict that shook the foundations of the energy sector. The case revolved around the Storheia and Roan wind power plants, mighty turbines that dominated the landscape of Fosen. These structures, owned and operated by Statkraft, were found to be in violation of the rights of the Indigenous Sámi reindeer herders, a community deeply rooted in these lands. The court's ruling highlighted a breach of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, specifically Article 27. This article serves as a shield, protecting the rights of minorities and, in this case, the Sámi people. The consequence of this breach was severe, resulting in the denial of Statkraft's licenses and, more importantly, their right to expropriate the land. The court's ruling painted the operation of the wind power plant in clear terms: illegal. However, despite this definitive legal conclusion, there has been noticeable inaction in stopping the turbines and restoring the land to its prior state, affecting the Sámi people and their way of life. What factors or entities may be responsible for this stasis in Fosen, you may wonder? The answer isn't straightforward, but it's not without its suspects either. It's possible that governmental or corporate influences may be playing a role in this apparent inertia. As we see the turbines continue to spin, the verdict's implications for the Sámi reindeer herders become all the more tangible. Their traditional way of life, so intricately woven with the rhythm of nature, is being disrupted by these towering structures. The case may have been won in court, but the battle on the ground continues. The Energy Ministry, representatives of the herders, and the owners of the wind farms are still in dialogue, seeking a resolution. But as these discussions drag on, the turbines keep turning, casting long shadows over the Sámi lands and their age-old traditions. As we delve deeper into the story, we can't help but ask, can you determine the number of days that have elapsed since October 11th, 2021, and still the Fosen wind turbines continue to spin? This situation poses an unresolved question about the efficacy of legal victories when faced with ground realities. After all, a verdict without action is but words carried away in the wind.